Hey, folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video for Thursday, October 27th, 2011 is brought to you by Realtik. All right, guys, let's get right into the mix. Markets on a substantial rally higher today after a major deal bailout type event occurred yesterday in regards to Greece. They finally reached an agreement. The deal is done. It's in play now. Markets are rejoicing. Now, the markets, again, are soaring today. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 336 points. NASDAQ up 89. S&P 500 up 41. Basically 3% across the board. Now, the key is here, it's up, but I do not personally expect this rally to last that long. Now, I don't think we're going to sell off sharply, but I think the markets will start to come down. A little bit of a type sell the news. Yeah, it's euphoric today, but in all fairness, going back, if you go on the daily chart here on the SPY, which mirrors the S&P 500, you're up 20% now. I repeat, 20% in the last 3 weeks. That is a monumental move. In fact, it might be the largest move up in 3 weeks in history in these markets. All right, having such a big rally up, notice also what happened here. You came into the 200 moving average on the daily. You retraced to the neckline of the head and shoulders right here, neckline, connector, and you also filled a gap right up here to the 128.80 level. So you filled a gap, hit a major retrace line and the 200 moving average on the daily chart, and you're up 20%. To me, that tells me it may be time to accumulate some shorts. I've been putting them out throughout the day in the Research Center for members. If you want to get involved, take the 7-day free trial. Start making money on every single move in this market. While the amateurs, the newbies, the kind of not-so-smart investors out there, the herd, if you will, are jumping in the markets today, you need to be a step ahead of them. Be going the opposite way of the crowd. And again, if you want to get the exact trades that I'm taking, take the Research Center 7-day free trial. You can also take the 7-day intraday chat free trial. Both will alert you. I talk to you live in the intraday stock chat. You'll hear me in my nightly videos and more inside of the Research Center. And it's a 7-day free trial. Can't get any better than that. In any case, the markets, it's tremendous rally. You can't take anything away from the rally. I mean, it is what it is. It's a fantastic rally. It's just a matter that the markets have mostly factored that in. I also have a fake print down here to the 119 level, which could spell a possible retrace on this market at some point. And that's the key. I think the markets are due for a little bit of a pullback here. I don't think it's a drastic pullback, but a more of a kind of profit-taking pullback where we maybe retrace 0.382 Fibonacci. But a 0.382 retrace, folks, would actually take you down, 5 to 10 points on the SPY, which would be a significant pullback. We could profit from that very nicely. So again, the key is to find out those levels. Now, another announcement. Congratulations to the hidden gems. The hidden gems are part of the Research Center. There's multiple parts you get in the Research Center when you take the free trial or you're a Research Center member. The hidden gems was one of those sections inside the Research Center. I gave out Pacific Ethanol, PEIX, folks. PEIX I gave out to the Research Center earlier this month as a hidden gem. I felt it was going to go 50 to 100% in 6 months. Usually I give 100% outlook or so in 6 months. This stock, guys, check this out. I gave it at 29 cents. Yesterday and this morning it hit 47 cents pre-market. It opened at 42 cents. That is well over 50% gain off the alert in just a few weeks. Again, this stock will end up going higher. They ended up making 12 cents for the quarter. So that's a beautiful thing. But ultimately, corn price continues to fall, ethanol price continues to stay the same. Their margin or crush spread will remain unbelievably good, and this stock, again, is at the dead lows. If you look at the daily chart, look at this daily chart. I mean, and again, they made 12 cents. It's a 30-cent stock. Now, again, some of the 12 cents was based off a one-time gain, but they still would have had a flat quarter and turning into profitability next quarter. So this is a no-brainer. Again, if Research Center members who got this picked up positions, they literally banked 30 to 50% in about 2 weeks on a play. All right, and again, I'm going to be putting out the new hidden gem in about a week and a half or so. So what you want to do is you want to take that 7-day free trial, get involved. Not only will you get the hidden gem report, you'll get the daily market report, you'll get the nightly videos, every single night 30-minute videos, hardcore in-depth trade setups. You're going to get the hot charts and alerts with live swing trades given out, alerts being sent out, and much, much more. All right, no-brainer there for a free trial. In any case, going back to the markets, let's take a little bit of a gander here. Again, the market's still stuttering here. You don't really have any turnaround signal aside from this line. This line at around 128.80 is actually matching up with the daily line right here. See this line right here? That's a gap fill, and that is the resistance point right there on the charts. We'll see again how that plays out in the coming days. I am curious to watch myself. All right. Looking throughout, let's see what else is moving here. I mean, there's big gains across the board. There's no doubt about it that we have monstrous gains out there. Chevron, for instance, which reports earnings tomorrow morning. Look at this coming to a double top. A beautiful double top right up here around 110. We'll see if it gets there by the end of the day. You can take a look at Apple Computer. Apple Computer is not having that big of a day, having a decent day, though, up about $5.65 here. Here's the intraday chart. You can see Apple's actually looking a little bit weaker as of now. All right. So, again, keep an eye on that, and we'll watch and see. Let's take a look at a couple other things here. Goldman Sachs is having a monstrous day. Goldman was up $5 yesterday, reminded me of the good old days when Goldman was the leader, and today it's up another $9. Markets are rallying substantially. The bullishness is palpable in the air, and that's telling me, again, be more conservative now. Start taking profits. Begin looking for shorts. I started my first short position today. I will be looking for more in the coming days as I expect, again, a pullback coming in over the next, probably Friday, not necessarily tomorrow, but probably coming in Monday, Tuesday next week. You probably start to get your pullback. So we'll see, guys. It's all about reading the charts, price pattern and time, utilizing the methodology here in the Money Stocks to become a hero amongst the elite. Bring yourself above the institutional level. Become better than the Goldman Sachs traders. Become better than the JP Morgan traders and all those hedge fund traders out there. The methodology here will do it. Try it out for free. We're offering this 7-day free trial. Might as well take advantage. Alrighty, guys. Again, good stuff across the board. Fantastic to see. And again, we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Come join InTheMoneyStocks.com.